welcome to my July video and welcome to my new room in my new flat in Bratislava. Recently I moved from Budapest back to Bratislava and this is the new space. I'm really happy that I'm here, and today my dad brought me one box of things from my hometown, and let's see what's in it. And also I have some clothes, some new clothes which I'm gonna show you and hope you will enjoy. This is more like a mystery box. I have a lot of weird stuff here. I don't even know what is there. I know some flower pots, but I'm not sure what else, so let's see. Okay, first thing I have here are these party hats, because you will never know when you will need some party hats. So yes, that's very useful. My ukulele. I bought it back in high school. I'm not sure which year, maybe like 2013. I had some fun with it in my teenage days, and I was thinking maybe I should start to play again. Some jam. Tuna steak in tomato sauce. This is another jam from my grandmother. Some snacks. Oh, do you know what this is? Well, here are some candles, but yeah, party candles. These are my platform sandals from 2015. They are really cool, but they are a bit worn out, and I'm thinking about having them repaired here in Bratislava, so I can wear them again because I really love them. It's not that hard to walk in them, but they're really cool. I will have them fixed. My Kanken backpack. And what's in there? One sweater. Second one. Sweater. My skate shoes. That's it. Flower pots. Big one, big flower, big plant. This book will tell you what does your dream mean. Yes, that's it. And this is like a pocket version. I have it from an old bookstore. I don't really know what this is, but I bought it in thrift shop when I was a teenager because I was like, oh yay, comic book. I've never really read through it, but it has some like really dirty drawings in there. Oh, this is my great-grandfather's hat. I don't know if this is a good idea, but I wanted to try. These are some something like posters, or these are like different types of fonts, and you can create, I think, posters with it. It's from my great-grandfather's house. He used to make shop windows when he was younger than 99, and he actually has a shitload of this in his attic, and I saved some like cool fonts, and I thought maybe it would be cool to put it on the wall. Pen holder from my great-grandfather. It looks kind of cool. I think it's from like 60s or 70s. And a box full of sweets. This is probably the most important thing from this box, because here in Bratislava I live on the 8th floor and my windows are oriented to the south, so it's pretty hot in here. So this will help a bit because we don't have like air conditioning here. Last thing, is the DVD, 2 discs of Moulin Rouge, which is like my favorite movie of all time. Actually, I found this DVD when I was like a child in my parents in some drawer, and I was like, wait, what is this? And it looked really cool. Like, look at it, it looks cool, and I was like, I need to watch it, but I kind of knew it's forbidden. So I watched it when nobody was at home, and then I watched it again and again and again. This was like my first contact with the English language, and I know it like by heart, all the songs and everything. And so this is a really important thing to have. My new laptop actually don't take CDs or DVDs in, so I don't know where I'm gonna watch it, but I have it. I have 2 discs of Moulin Rouge, even the bonuses and everything, so I'm gonna put it on my shelf. So yeah, this was the box. So this is what I just unpacked from this box. This box, I bought it a couple years ago, and I used it, this and 3 others. I used it for moving from into my dormitory. And last year when I was going to Budapest, I sent it back home with some stuff in it. Different stuff, not this stuff.